shout out again to everybody. And morning, our daily morning routine. Like today is back already to school. We're going to wake up early in the morning and prepare for the food. Going to school. The kids are going to school. So 5 a.m. already awake. Kids will go to school like 6 a.m. My son. And then Vinny is going to school like 11 in the morning. Mahaba na naman siya. Kailangan na naman talagang bunutin, pero hindi. Gusto ko pa siyang I need to make it longer. Longer pa natin. So cute. Our update. The sun today is nice. Yes. We just woke up late already, 9 a.m. today, and then need to prepare for 11 a.m. school. So that's why. So I love my hair. My hair. It's smooth. I love it. I noticed it first. I did not comb yet my hair. Where's the comb? I'm just using my hands. It's very smooth and I love it. I use some keratin on it. That's why conditioner. Alright. Thank you for watching, guys, and please guys don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Yeah, soon we are going to vlog. Alright, bye for now.